How to remove and delete all your likes on Instagram in this video. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go to the settings, and then when you come to this setting you have to click on the account settings, and then you have to find the posts you have like, and when you find the post you have like you can see, and here is the post that I have liked. So that's if you want to dislike the post, if you want to dislike the post, then click on the dislike. uh, you have to remove and delete your posts. I removed, and here you can see uh, I want to also remove this post, and it is removed. And also so it is removed from the category that I have liked. So that's and if you have thousands of posts or hundreds of posts, and if you want to remove them from your like list, then you have to uh, also do these steps, like dis I disable the like button, and here you can see. So you have to do all these steps for all the posts. So that's basically it, that how you can remove and delete all your likes on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments this video is helpful for you.